by BDNY to design the Dream booth for this upcoming conference. Was thinking about, what is 20 years of Dream really about uninhibited enjoyment for immersing our guests into our spaces. And one of those outstanding kind of venues, I think, or parts of our hotel are really about the pool. We have an amazing pool at Dream Downtown, which was the first pool to have sand from the Caribbean in New York City and be a glass bottom pool. So it was kind of a groundbreaking pool. So I think that the pool was going to be this, it's kind of like this social hub of Dream. So when we were thinking about how do we do this, a swimming pool inside a trade show at Javits Center, and we just kind of came up with this idea of doing a plush interior kind of splash pad. And I racked my brain for weeks on who could design this. And then I thought of Kevin and Sammer, and somehow it was like, it just clicked.
We had the pleasure of connecting with Kat Kim on this and Dream, and to do this BDNY booth, and really bringing to life the ethos and the direction of the whole Dream brand, which is dream boldly, play freely.
One of the things that we discussed with the team and the brand was how pool decks are such a big pivotal part of the Dream brand, and how that's something that we really wanted to celebrate and highlight as part of this booth design. And we started looking at a lot of art installations, and we wanted to make sure that the space is quite immersive and it has a very kind of enveloping experience where you kind of feel like you're really stepping into a very new world. We wanted to make sure that every component is considered and it's reflecting this idea of, flowy waters and being under the pool, and kind of using a lot of shimmery metallic finishes and plush velvets and a lot of variety of textures, just to kind of mimic this fluidity and this idea of like rippling water within this space.
It's kind of really like kind of jumping into a pool that's also an art installation and a place to party and gather and congregate.
The idea of being bold was also really translated so much into the design itself. So we wanted to, also from a lot of the reference images we were looking at, there was a lot of monochromatic approaches, and there was a lot of like 1970s and 1980s designs that we wanted to make sure we're capturing the essence of that, but reintroducing it in a very new and a contemporary way.
It's been a great partnership working together with them to bring this to life, and the Dream brand, the Dream Hotel, this pool, this splash pad as we're calling it at BDNY.
I think the level of detailing that they really brought to that piece, it doesn't give you the feeling that this is something temporary for 2 days. You're really stepping into this luxurious hotel environment.
I think you can really see in a final product when everyone kind of has that same vision and you're all pushing towards the same goal. And I think we really see it here. So we're really excited for everyone to experience what we've been spending the last little while on.
Few months on.